Okay, the hand there is not. Let me bring this out. Let me edit again. The hand there is not words, it's a symbol. Hand flyer. Okay. Okay, I've gotten that one also. With your phone, like a pro. So I'll click on A again. Then edit with your phone. With your phone. Click on OK. This is with your phone. Okay, then tap. Then come in. Edit again. Phone. Like. Okay. See. Okay, just ordinary like. So I edit again. Like. So this is this one. Tap inside again. Tap your plus. Then edit. And you have Pro. So Pro is here. Okay, I have all my design here. So then into this again, into this. Okay. Let's edit it into this. Into this. Okay. So now let's deal with that first. Okay, so learn how to. This is too big, so I reduce the size. So now you must make sure that your text is not spamming around the edges of your page. Must have space so that should you want to print it out, the computer will not cut it out. Then the next thing is the design. The design too, I will have to increase the font. Okay. Make sure you are arranging it to align. Okay. Fine. A 3D logo. Reduce it. A 3D logo. Okay. Oh, let me check that A. I have to turn it to a capital letter A. Okay. Then let me reduce it now. Keep pressing the minus button to reduce it. A 3D. A 3D logo and flyer. Okay. Now I want to spread it. I want to spread that. So I go to the spacing and then I will try and click on the plus. Spread it like that. You can see that it is spreading. Okay, you got the 3D logo flyer. Now the next thing is with your phone. I'll reduce this as well. With your phone. Something very tiny. and this like as well with your okay. This is ought to be just with your, so let me edit it and erase the phone there with your, and this one phone like. I will edit it and put phone there. Okay. Okay, let me reduce that one as well. See the size. Phone like. Okay, let me increase this a little. What size is this? Let's check. This is 18. Let's check this one to this 19 so I can reduce it a little. With your phone like. Alright. Then what's the next one? A Pro. A Pro. So it's not just Pro. A Pro. A. So let's bring this on here. Okay, the way it is here. Okay, a Pro. A Pro. So the next thing you do now, okay, this is like a Pro now. You have to now edit it to look like what you have there. So this is what I have, a Pro. So let me, now this is when you use texture. Texture. So let's now edit this a Pro to look like what we want. So we look for texture. You will see where I'm going to use this texture here. Click on it. Texture. We'll look for those texture things there. So you can have as many mockups that you are going to be using for texture as possible. So let's see, texture. Let me just go straight to photo and okay, let me check photo here. Check as well the text. Let's see the texture. If I have it here, I'm going to use a texture. So I'm looking for the marker backgrounds that I will use, and you will see how it will texture it and give you a unique color. To give you a unique color. Let's see. Okay, this is one of them, but I'm not using this. This yellow, the yellow ones are not one of them. All these yellows are one of them. I'm not using. Okay, should I use it? Let me see if I still have all these ones. They are all this, all this, all this. They are textures. Let me see. I have to see more. More texture. More texture. Okay, I'm gonna pick from what I have here. Texture. Let me see. Let me pick this one. So after I pick that, I'm going to apply it on that text. It makes it look unique. So we use texture a lot to make our design look very unique. Click on this cross, this square, then click on this. Okay. So it has given it that texture that you want. But I think this one looks this one looks yellow. I want something that looks orange. So I go back. Go for something that looks orange. Let's check images. Okay. That's okay. Let's go back to photo. This photo. Click on photo. Okay, let's look again. There's something that is orange like. So that's the one I would like to use. I hope you are following. What that is orange like. That's the one I would like to use. Okay, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, let me use this one. Let's see what it will give me. I've chosen you now. You don't want to go? Okay, I'll go back and pick you up again. Where are you? Where do you think you're hiding? So you will do my bidding today. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, this one. Yeah. Okay, with that now, click on the square and then this. See now? Okay, let's just manage this one. Then what we now need to do, let me increase the text like a pro. Okay, then let me now go and turn it to a 3D. Okay, let me bold it. Bold. Okay, then a 3D shape. Let me take it to 3D. Enabled. Oblique. Say it there. Let me reduce the depth of it. So you can see, just click on the minus. It's reducing it a little. Oh, okay. I think that R and that O are in capital letter. So I'm going to edit it. Change it to capital letter. R and O, capital letter. Okay, something like this now. What's next? What next? What next? Okay, let me try and show you emboss. Let me first finish with 3D text. Okay, the depth. You can darken it if you want. The shape, you can oblique it, turn it like this. You can rotate it if you want, but I don't want that one now. And now let me go and emboss. Emboss. Click. You see that? That's what gives it that beautiful texture that you're seeing. Okay. See that? Intensity.